In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Canva documents by adding gradient colors. This technique is not only simple, but will bring a fresh and vibrant look to your projects. Whether you're designing for a presentation, a social media post, or any other creative pursuit, gradients can add that extra flair you're looking for. To begin, make sure you have your Canva document open. If you're not there yet, go ahead and navigate to it through your preferred web browser. Once your document is up and ready, you'll want to focus your attention on the Canva interface. Now, adding a gradient to your design can truly transform its aesthetic. Gradients provide a seamless blend of colors, creating a dynamic and visually appealing effect that can make your design stand out. Now, let's talk about how you can add this feature to your design. First, head over to the Elements section within Canva. You can easily find this on the left-hand side of your screen. In the search bar located at the top of this section, type in gradient and hit enter. This will present you with a wide array of options, from simple two-color gradients to more complex blends. Browse through these options to find one that suits your project's needs. If you already have a style in mind, this is a great way to experiment with different gradients to find the perfect fit. Alternatively, if you're greeted with a blank page, there's another way to bring some color to your canvas. Look for the Background Color button, typically located at the upper middle of the page. Clicking on this will pop open a color window to the left, where you will see a selection of default gradient colors readily available. This feature allows for quick and easy application of gradients, saving you time while ensuring your design remains eye-catching. Choose your desired gradient color or style and watch as it instantly transforms the mood of your design. This is an excellent opportunity to play around, mix and match different colors until you find the perfect combination that aligns with your creative vision and the purpose of your design. Don't shy away from experimenting with vibrant hues or subtle pastels. Each choice brings a unique impact. Congratulations, you've now successfully added gradient colors to your Canva document. This simple yet effective tool can greatly enhance the visual quality of your work. Whether you're creating eye-catching social media content or designing a more subdued professional presentation, the use of gradients can elevate the entire project. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with trying new styles and stepping out of your comfort zone. Thanks for following along with today's tutorial. Happy designing!